Very good afternoon. This is Geeta, Assistant Professor, Senior Grade, Computer Science Department from KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. So today in computer networks, we are going to discuss about basic uh, basic of topologies, and we have different type of topology. So we are going to discuss about all these topology concepts. What is network? Network is a collection of devices. The devices can be anything. It can be a mobile phone, printer, switches, computer, whatever may be. We are going to connect more than one devices. And why we need to connect these devices? So with this connection, we can able to share the data. And we can able to share the resources in terms. If suppose we have a printer. For entire lab system we can have only one printer. So by sharing the printer we can able to take printout from any of the systems. So this is the one of the advantage of having network. So mainly for sharing the resources and transferring the data. In network, generally we have two different type of connection. One is point-to-point connection and another one is multi-point connection. So this diagram illustrates the two different type of connection. In point-to-point connection, there is a single dedicated line link is there between two devices. So the particular link will be shared between only two devices. The entire bandwidth will be shared among only the device A and the device B. But in case of multi-point connection, there is a link. The link is shared by multiple devices. So here the entire bandwidth will be divided among the devices which are all connected in this particular multi-point environment. So this is about two different type of connection. One is point-to-point connection and another one is multi-point connection. So today we are going to discuss about topology. Before that, I have one question. So if I ask you to arrange the student for a group discussion, how will you arrange the set of student for group discussion? Obviously, we will arrange a set of student. We will make the student to sit in a circle way so that the group discussion will be in an effective way. Similarly, the topology is the way how we are arranging the devices to make a efficient data transfer. So we have different type of topology. Those are mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, and ring topology. So mesh topology is one type of topology. Here every node has a point-to-point link as shown in the figure. Here we have 5 nodes. The 5 nodes are connected to other nodes in a point-to-point link. Say for example, if device A is connected with the device B, similarly device A will be connected with C, similarly device A will be connected with the D and E as well. So each node will be connected with each other node in a point-to-point link, and we have the traffic will be shared between two nodes. So there will be a dedicated link between any two devices, and the bandwidth will be shared only among the particular two devices. And the advantage of this particular mesh topology is here we have a dedicated link, therefore the traffic problem will be eliminated and we can ensure the better privacy and security. And the mesh topology generally is a robust mechanism. In case if there is any link failure between any two devices, then the entire network is not going to fail. Only the particular link will be fail. We can able to find an alternate path to transmit the data between the failure node as well. So this is the main advantage of mesh topology. So in mesh topology, we have a disadvantage. There are two different type of disadvantage. One is difficult in installation. Because here in mesh topology, we have to have some point-to-point link between two devices. Say for example, if the network have more number of devices, then there should be a point-to-point. There is more number of point-to-point connection needed between all the devices. So this is very difficult with respect to the mesh topology, and also reconfiguration is also difficult in case of mesh topology. See, suppose if you are having n devices in the mesh topology, then how many number of links are needed is n into n minus 1 by 2. Say for example, if you are having 3 nodes in a network, then how many number of links are required to connect to form the mesh topology? So 3 into 3 minus 1 by 2. Number of links needed for forming the mesh topology. Another type of topology is star topology. Here all the devices will be connected in a single hub, connected to a single hub through a cable, point to point cable. See in the figure we have four systems. The four systems are connected to the hub in a point to point link. This is the advantage of star topology. Here the number of cable required for connection is minimal when compared to the mesh topology. And also we have another advantage, that is fault identification and isolation of faulty system is very easy when compared to the other type of topologies. In star topology, we have some disadvantage as well. As I already told, all the systems will be connected via only the central device is known as hub. If the hub the entire topology is relying on a single central device is known as hub. If in case the hub failures, the entire system will get collapsed. So this is the main disadvantage of star topology. But the number of cable requirement for making the star topology is very minimal when compared to the mesh topology. The second disadvantage in the star topology is the cost for installation is high when compared to the other different type of topologies, and performance based on the single centralized node, that is known as hub. So these are the some of the disadvantages of star topologies. The third type of topology is bus topology. So here the figure illustrates the bus topology. Here we are having two different type of cable. One is backbone cable and another one is drop line cable. So all the node will be connected to the backbone cable. So with the backbone cable we can able to transfer the data from a node to the another node. So nodes are generally connected with the backbone cable with the cable is called drop lines. So this is the overall structure of the bus topology. Here there will be a bidirectional communication possible in case of bus topology. In bus topology, generally coaxial cable and twisted pair cables are used, and it will support up to 10 Mbps of bandwidth. And if you are having n devices in the bus topology, and number of cables required is n cables, n drop lines plus one backbone cables. So when compared to the mesh topology, the number of cable requirement is minimal, and the cost of the cable is less when compared to the other topology. So mainly this bus topology is used for forming the small networks, and we have some disadvantage in the bus topology as well. So those are if the common cable, that is backbone cable, fails, the entire system will get crashed out. So this is the biggest drawback in the bus topology. If the network traffic is heavy and it increase the collision, so the collision is possible in bus topology. CSMA by CD type of collisions are possible in case of bus topology, and also adding a new devices to the network will slow down the entire network. With respect to the security is also low when compared to the other topology, because here we are using the common backbone line for connecting the devices, so that is possible for collision. So this is the disadvantages of bus topology. The fourth type of topology is ring topology. In this ring topology, the devices will be connected to the neighbors. So as shown in the figure, the station 1 will be connected to the station 2 and station 3. Similarly, station 4 will be connected to its adjacent neighbors like station 2 and station 3. So signal will travel along with any of the one direction. So for example, if station 1 want to transmit the signal to station 4, the station 1 will transmit the signal to station 3, and from the station 3 the signal will travel to station 4. So generally in ring topology, the signal will carry forward in any one of the direction, either in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. These are some of the advantage and disadvantage of ring topology. So with respect to the advantage, the data transmission is high speed and the collision is minimal when compared to the bus topology. And when with respect to the installation cost, it is low cost when compared to the other type of topology, and it is less costly when compared to the star topology. With respect to the disadvantage, the failure of single node in a network can cause the entire network to fail, because as I already told you, you that the signal will travel along either in a clockwise direction or an anti-clockwise direction. So failure in one single node will may cause the entire network to fail. So the second drawback is troubleshooting. So troubleshooting is very difficult in ring topology, and addition and deletion of station in a ring topologies may disturb the entire topology. So this is another disadvantage. And the last concern about the ring topology is it is very less secure. So these are the some of the four different type of topologies commonly used in the computer networks. Further we will see in the next session. Thank you all.